Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Tecno phone. Guys, you have connected any Bluetooth speaker and friends you want to disconnect. So man, how can you disconnect your speaker to your phone? In this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to disconnect, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your more connection setting guys, tap here guys, click on your phone Bluetooth setting right side. As you can see we have configured the JBL company Go speaker, and as you can see active. So when we want to disconnect, so by right side setting option tap here, and you can see disconnect option, click on the disconnect option, then it will disconnect to your phone guys. You cannot use, if you use guys you will have to only click headphone guys, so your Bluetooth speaker will connect automatic guys. So like that guys you can disconnect your speaker to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.